So guys, na ako'y puzzle. Solve ba ni sa inyo? So, kuhan ko mga 1 minute para ma-solve ni yung puzzle. Bang 1 minute guys. So, shout out sa mga followers na ko diha sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So, we have now a puzzle to solve to everyone in my followers in United States in America, and also my followers in India. So this is the puzzle pinning. So to all beginner, watch this and solve this problem so that your opening and your tactics how to defeat your opponent is increased, because this puzzle is useful to everyone. So before we solve this, thank you for everyone. So I begin. So we move first is sacrifice our rock. Then after sacrifice the rook, next is pin the bishop. Then there is no other choice. He defends his king, his queen, then counter. So guys, that's all. Thank you for solving.